Hi, this is Anna for Innovate TV, and I'm here on the Innovate stand with a UK integrator, Vanti. So, Mike, I understand you were talking at the Smart Buildings conference before the show started. So, could you give us a brief rundown of what you spoke about at the conference?
Sure. So, the slot was entitled The Battle for Smart Buildings. And I was talking about how people are really viewing the market and what will be a kind of huge industry one day as almost a zero-sum game, so that there have to be people that lose for people to win. Whereas actually what we think is people are going to need to appreciate what their different roles are within the smart building context and work collaboratively together to achieve outcomes for people who actually use the buildings themselves.
Okay. And the conference as a whole, was it well received? Was it a good event?
Yeah, I mean, been there now for 4 years.
Okay.
Get a lot out of it. It was interesting to see kind of key themes through this year were around the focus on the end user and people who are actually using spaces, but also a growing appreciation around designing security in up front and also thinking about privacy of people's data. But yeah, some really interesting slots, and again, took a lot out of it this year.
Okay. So you've been at the Smart Buildings conference 4 years. Mm-hmm. You've been coming to IC for 5.
Yep.
So what keeps you returning? What does the show have on offer for you?
I think we get a lot out of it from our design and support side. So this year we've got all of our solution architects here, as well as a guy who's one of our senior developers and someone from our service desk. So it's trying to get different people's opinions on how things work, because they've got different perspectives on, you know, designers can get very excited about a product, but actually if we can't service it for our clients, then it's not a great choice. So a lot of it's around product selection for us. We've come out with specific things that we're looking for to solve certain things, either for clients or projects that we're working on. So yeah, and seeing familiar faces, keeping relationships going, all that kind of stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
And have you solved any problems?
We have, yeah. We've managed to find a unit that's going to save us about £550 every time we push it out. So that's an early win.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So thanks for joining us on the Innovate stand, Mike, and you can see more from the Innovate stand later.